what time is it? And this would denote the interlocutor both in the singular and in plural in English. However, in the Serbian language, as we could see from these previous examples, we have a special way to address a person who is our age or being familiar to us from before, or have an informal relation with him or her, unlike the addressing someone in formal way. So, in situation number 3, if we want to know the name of the person or the persons, we will ask like this: Kako se ti zoveš? Or without ti, kako se zoveš? Simply. In the singular. Or kako se vi zovete? You see, kako se vi zovete or kako se zovete. We don't have to use vi. If the interlocutor is older than us, or someone with whom we are in formal relation or communication, such as neighbor, professor, our boss, etc., we address him with vi, and we write that word with a capital letter, so big V. We can also address an unknown person or an organization, a company, when we do not know who is the person to whom we are writing an email. For example, poštovani or poštovana, vi ste objavili oglas za posao taj i taj. Or on English, dear sir or madam, you have published a job. That is translation. You see the difference. So, let's now review what we learned today. It is important for you to remember that in the Serbian language, we address one person with ti, a group of persons with vi, and one person in a formal context or organization with vi, capital V. Also, in all those different situations, we use different word forms and different endings, such as T, V, small v, and capital V. Or znaš, znate. Zoveš, zovete. Do you see the difference? Kako se ti zoveš, kako se vi zovete. So the best way for you to learn this is to play this lesson again and listen it again, repeat each sentence separately after me. Stop, pause if you need, play again, and write everything down. Write down all my examples in Serbian, Latin, and Cyrillic, and write the meaning in English next to it, so you can connect that, as you have it in my examples. Of course, I hope that you regularly follow all my